Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, an active Google account and a VPN app installed. Open the VPN, sign in if needed, and pick the country you want. Once connected, clear Play Store cache and force stop the Play Store app so it refreshes location. Make sure to disable any other location spoofing apps. They interfere. Now reopen Play Store. You're starting the process with the correct network identity, which makes new regional content appear. You'll continue by switching the Play Store profile to match the VPN country. Open Play Store, tap Account, and look for Country and Profiles. Pick the profile for the VPN country. If it's not visible, create a new Google Payments profile with that country chosen. Use an address there. Once selected, wait. Play Store may refresh and show different apps. If Play Store prompts for payment info, you can skip or add a local payment method. This cements the region change. Finish by confirming the store shows the apps you need, download or update as required. If something still blocks you, switch VPN servers within the same country and clear Play Store data, then reopen. Make sure the VPN stays connected during downloads, otherwise Play Store reverts. If problems persist, sign out of Google and sign back in, or reinstall Play Store updates. That one troubleshooting tip, always check the VPN connection first. It's the most common cause of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.